Today we're at Hanjay Machinery reviewing the rotating head CNC bender. Now this is an all-electric model that can bend parts in the right hand and left hand direction to give you complex parts in one operation. The system can handle tubes up to 50.8 millimeters in diameter and has 11 servo motors for precise bends. Let's find out what makes their benders so productive. This machine is made for high production and accurate bending of complex shapes, requiring both right hand and left hand bends. It's perfect for the furniture, automotive, and other various industries requiring precision. Hanjay's own proprietary software allows technicians to simply upload 2D and 3D software to speed up the setup time as well as boost the production efficiency and accuracy. The carriage is also servo-driven with ample power for push bending capability. By being able to bend in the right hand and left hand directions, complex parts can be made with precision in one process, providing flexibility, versatility, and accuracy. Another outstanding feature is the auto tool positioning function. This will let the technician simply calibrate the tools without the need for tedious and manual setup, giving you the correct parts every time. And if any fine-tuning is needed, technicians can easily adjust any axis on a touchscreen. This function saves time and provides results in precision parts. Hanjay is an experienced bending supplier with a range of advanced tooling systems for your demanding applications. To learn more about this rotating head CNC bender, contact Hanjay today. The tube bending experts are ready to serve you.